Hi guys, welcome to the Shack. Today we're going to unbox the XTool's Ra3 Rotary for the P2 and P2S lasers. Are you guys ready? Let's dig right in. Okay guys, this is the XTool Rotary Attachment 3 for the P2 and P2S. We're going to begin by opening the box. Inside, we see nice packing material. Everything looks good here. Let's take that out. We have the XTool's Quick Start Guide. And this is the bracket to attach it to the P2S lasers, the P2 and the P2S. Take this out. And this is a very nice styrofoam case that holds everything in place. It's got magnetic closure. Very nice. This can stay as a case forever. So inside here's the Quick Start Guide. The other guide was just a guide of parts. We have safety instructions. And here is all the magnetic attachments. This is the base. The magnetic chuck. The drive motor. A riser. A support for long rotary items and for spheres. This is the riser. That means this is the roller adapter to adapt it from chuck to rollers. A little bag of cables and accessories. And 3 magnetic posts for doing spherical items and rings. Opening the accessory bag, let's see what's in it. Looks like we have an adapter cable, a thumb screw, 1, 2, 3 hex head screws, another adapter cable, and a hex key tool. Now let's look at these rotary accessories. We have a roller, 2 of them. We have some chuck adapters. We have some nice magnetic and rubber posts that look like they go inside these chuck adapters. Yes, they do, and they're magnetic. They snap right in. And we have 6 of them. 4, 5, and 6. You can see they're magnetic. They keep attracting and repelling each other. And I'm not quite sure what this is. I think it's for the rollers. We have a level. And we have a tape measure. So let's see how this magnetic chuck attaches to the base. It looks like it has 4 holes on the bottom, and we have 4 posts here. So it must snap right in there. Have to loosen up this thumb screw. And yeah, it snaps right in. To attach the chuck, it simply goes right there and snaps right in. This is wonderful. Now if we need a little more height, we take that off. We can put the riser on it, which is not magnetic. It just snaps onto the 4 holes. And then the chuck goes right on the riser, just like that. So now we have quite a bit of height. We can do some big tumblers. We can have big handles on them. Looking here, we have a little knob to adjust it, and that locks the chuck in place or allows it to rotate so we can lock it in at an angle. The roller attachment has some little studs on the bottom. You can see them right here. And these fit inside the slots on the base. And this solves a problem I always had with the RA2. This makes the rollers exactly centered on the chuck so that you have the rollers exactly centered and you can move them up and down. And if you loosen the chuck, as you move them up and down, it can raise and lower the angle of the chuck to get things perfectly level on the bed of your laser. So let's try mounting a tumbler on the rotary itself and see how it works. So here I have a nice tumbler. Let's go ahead and see these attachments go right on the rotary. And the magnetics snap them right in place. We'll put on some of these little rubber posts. Isn't this amazing how it's toolless? This is wonderful. And we will fit the tumbler right in. And looks like I've got to move these closer. Move these in one. Try again. Yeah, the tumbler fits right inside. And everything is tightened by hand. We'll put the level on it and see it's pretty out of level. But we can use this roller attachment and bring it right up until it's perfectly level. And if we turn it by hand, we see there is absolutely no wobble. This mounts the tumbler solid and perfectly level with no wobble. This is wonderful. So coming over to the P2S, let's see how all this attaches. We've got this bracket. It looks like it goes right in that corner. And this thumb screw goes right up through the hole and screws it right in place. Let's get that. So the bracket is now in place. we'll take the tumbler that we already put on the rotary, set it down in the bed, and it just slides right into place on that bracket. Okay, all that's left is to hook up the cable. So, cable hooks up right here in the back. Snap that cable into the motor. Attach the cable, the other end of the cable, to the connector on your P2S. Put the tumbler back where it goes. Back into the bracket. Let's put the level on it, see if we're level. We are way out of level. So we will raise this end up and see how the motor turns with it. And now we are perfectly mounted, perfectly level. It's in a fixed location and we're ready to go. In an upcoming video, we'll actually do this on the P2S. We'll run the software, we'll set it up, and we'll actually engrave. But for now, this ends our unboxing video of the Ra3 Rotary for the P2 and P2S lasers. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please smash that like button and subscribe and ring that bell. That helps me know whether this was a video you liked, and it helps YouTube know whether to show you more videos like this one. Thank you, and you guys have a great day.